Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do split screen on Capcut PC. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, this is the home page of Capcut PC. Now you can see import button. You have to import your videos from here. So you have to basically import two videos as you want to do a split. Then you have to just drag these videos to this timeline. So for this video I'm gonna use my library. Okay, so I will pick two videos from here. So let's say this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, now you have to do like that. You have to adjust the length of it. Okay, that's it, that's okay. Now you have to do masking. So for that, tap on the or click on the second layer from here, and you can see there are many options here. Just tap on the mask option, and now you can see a split. Okay, tap on it, and that's it. You can see it has been splitted. So that's how you can do it. But if you want to rotate it, you can just rotate it like that. If you want to move it, you can move it like that. You can see. You can also blend it like just this. So this is really amazing. Let's see how it looks. You can see. So this is how basically you can do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.